friends. So today we'll do some English grammar tests. English grammar test. So see, I did not dash last night. So here the key word is did not, and the option are cooked, cooking. So we didn't. There when we know we didn't. For example, for words like do, verb like don't, doesn't, and didn't. Here comes the main verb, the original verb, and we will not use ed or ing or s. So I did not, the main verb here is cook. So I didn't cook last night. The next one is he was dash yesterday at 5 a.m. So the key word is was. So we know with is, are, was, were, am comes ing form. So he was studying, here the ing form is studying. So he was studying yesterday at 5 p.m. The last one is I have not dash a shawarma before. So here the keyword is have, and we know with have, has, and had. Here comes verb. There is verb 3. That is the first. But for example, eat. It is verb 1. Then ate. Ate is verb 2, and eaten is verb 3. So here the main keyword is have. So I have not, here the verb 3 is eaten. So I have not eaten a shawarma before. Hope you have liked my class. So if you have liked my class, please subscribe my channel and do like my videos.